Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're learning 5 Italian phrases you absolutely need to know to sound like a real Italian. Get ready. You'll hear these expressions everywhere, in movies, with friends, or on the street. Let's jump right in.
Che ne pensi?
What do you think? Use it when asking someone's opinion.
Mi fa piacere.
I'm glad. That makes me happy.
Figurati.
Don't mention it. No worries. An informal way to say you're welcome or don't worry about it.
Non vedo l'ora.
I can't wait.
Dai.
Come on, really? It's used in many situations to encourage or express surprise. And those were the 5 Italian phrases you should know. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you want to keep improving your Italian, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite phrase. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.